Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. I just got this sign because my small sign on my window is not enough. So we need a bigger one. And this is a good size. So this is like, I would say it's a little bit longer than a piece of paper. Nice and big. It does have metal stakes and screws to attach this. So I'm going to attach this and then I'll show it to you outside. So it does have a small card for installation instructions if you need a little help. So this is all metal. Really good. I'm gonna see it. I'll test it out at night to see if it's reflective as well, but really like good size, good quality all metal. Okay, so they fit together real easily. You just slide those in there, nice and snug. The capped side is gonna go on the top. Okay, the hardest thing for this is trying to get the screw into the little hole because we've got a raised ridge here. So, and I'm too lazy to go get some needle nose pliers. There we go. We finally did it. So if you want it super tight, you might want to have some little, like a little wrench to kind of hold this still. I think it's going to be tight enough with my fingers. And they do give you a little Allen wrench to tighten the screw. Oh yeah, that's going to be tight enough with just using my fingers. And they do give you an extra screw and nut just in case you need it. Okay, there we go. I'm going to go put it in the yard. Okay, here we go. We've got it here in the yard. So as they approach the door, it's right here. And I've got it right here by my little light, so it'll be lit up at night. So this is, I love it. Good size. Let's hope it works.